Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to create this score title in Roblox Studio. Let's start. In Explorer, select the plus sign ServerScriptService, insert a script, delete everything and paste this code. All codes are in the description. Go down and press the plus sign beside Starter GUI. Insert Screen GUI. Press the plus sign after it. Insert TextLabel. Go to the properties. Go down and change the text title to Score 0. Activate the text scale. You can change the score title position by click, drag, and drop. Press the plus sign next to the text label, then insert local script. Copy the script from the description and paste it. From the toolbox, add search for coin and drag it to the world. Press the plus sign next to the coin and insert script. Copy the script from the video description and paste it to the script. You can create many copies of the coin. Click play and run the game. And that is it. The score increases with touching the coins as shown.